How to delete recipient on WorldRemit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete recipient on WorldRemit. For that, you want to open the WorldRemit application on your device. You can download this application from Play Store or App Store. Here, you can log into your account. For that, you can use your Google account or tap on the login option and log in using your email address. For that, you will have to enter the email address and password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the My Account option. Then from there, you want to click on My Recipients option. Now, a list of your recipients will be visible. You want to now click on the Edit Recipient option. There, you will find Delete Recipient button. All you have to do is tap on that Delete Recipient option. Now it is going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the delete button. As soon as you do that, that particular recipient will be deleted on WorldRemit. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.